Please subscribe, like and share and press the bell icon to get notifications. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn with Raiza, and today we'll be learning about maths. This lesson is for grade 6. In this video, I'll be teaching you 3 things: to identify units used to measure mass, relationship between units of masses, and addition and subtraction of masses. Well, students, first of all, I'll tell you instruments used to measure mass. I think you have seen these. The balance scale in Mudalali shops, the shopkeeper is keeping a balance scale. And also see the second weight. I think you have seen when your mama is preparing cakes, she might have used this to measure the weights. And also the triple B balance. And I don't think you have seen this sometimes in your school laboratory. There are some triple B balance. Weight scale, of course, you all measure. Look your weight in weight scale. So these are the instruments used to measure mass. And can you see in the right hand side what is there? They are the weights that are used to measure the mass of the object. We keep that weight in one side of the scale and the object in the other side of the scale, and it says as the weight of the mass. Let's see how. Okay students, now see here the scale is there. So now can you see the beam is horizontal? Yeah, why is that? Because the scale is balanced. If you place a weight or 2 weights in both sides, I told you that weight, what we call like that metal kind of thing I showed you in the previous diagram. If you place that in one place and the other potato bag or sugar bag in the other scale, and if the scale is balanced, that means the weight of the object is equal to the weight that you kept. For example, 1 kilogram of weight is kept in the left hand side, 1 kilogram of potato bag is kept in this side, and that shows you this is balanced. That means it is exactly 1 kilogram. So here when the scale is horizontal or balanced, then we say that masses are equal. But when scale depicts display position, and what is that? This is when quantity of object is more than the weight kept. That means your potato bag is heavier than the weight kept. So we have to make it balanced to find the weight. So the shopkeeper, until the scale get balanced, he might keep in weights and going on. Then only we can find the exact weight. So did you get it? So let's see the other one. The balance scale depicts this position when quantity of object is less than the weight kept. So can you see now? Now in the right hand side or in your right hand side, the scale is a little bit up. So that is when the quantity of object, for example potato bag, that is less than the weight kept. So when 500 gram of standard weight is kept in the scale, that is gone below, and a potato of quantity 300 gram is kept, what happens? Yes, this is what happens. Because since the quantity of the potato is less than the weight kept, the scale depicts a position like this. And the other way around, previous diagram I told you that scale depicts that position when the object is more than the weight kept. I guess you understood this clearly with the diagram. Now let's see how to express mass given in kilogram to gram. And also here I'll be teaching you the relationship between the units of mass. Mass is usually measured in kilogram and grams. So before that we have to know what is the relationship between kilogram and gram. Yeah, 1 kilogram of mass is equal to 1000 grams. Every time remember, 1 kilogram is equal to how much? 1000 gram. So how to express a mass? It is given in kilogram to gram. Suppose if your mom asked to convert the kilogram of rice, 100 kilogram of rice into grams, what will you do? Yeah, 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. So you can say that 1 kilogram of rice is equal to 1000 gram of rice. 500 kilogram of rice is equal to 500 multiplied by 1000. So when a mass is given in kilogram to gram, you should multiply the kilogram mass by 1000. Then you get the answer or the weight of the object in grams. Well, expressing mass given in kilogram to kilogram. Okay, previously we talked how to convert masses given in kilogram to gram, and now we'll discuss how to convert mass given in gram to kilogram. Okay, if the given mass is in gram, then what you have to do to convert into kilogram? Yes, divide. Why is that? Because when expressing mass given in kilogram to gram, we multiply it by 1000, and here when expressing mass given in grams to kilogram, we have to divide it by 1000. And here's the same relationship, keep in your mind. 1 kilogram is always equal to 1000 gram. So 1 kilogram of mass will depict 1000 gram of the same mass. Okay, now see this question. A 1 kilogram standard weight has been placed in the left side pan of each of the following balance scales, and the scale has been balanced by placing wooden blocks of equal mass in the right side pan. Okay, what did this question say? In the left side pan, the standard weight is placed, and in the right side pan, wooden blocks are placed. So write down the mass of a wooden block in each side. Okay, now you have to write down the mass of one single wooden block in each pan. Okay, look at the first diagram. There are two wooden blocks and a 1 kilogram standard weight. 1 kilogram standard weight is placed in the left hand side, and two wooden blocks are placed in the right hand side of the first diagram. So now they are asking what is the mass of the one single wooden block. Okay, if now see this scale is balanced position. Can you see that the scale is balanced position? So that means two wooden blocks are equal to the mass of 1 kilogram. If two woods are equal to the mass of 1 kilogram, what is the mass of one wooden block? Yeah, 1 kilogram should be divided by 2. That means 1 kilogram is equal to how many grams? Yes, 1000 gram. So if 1000 gram is equal to 2 blocks, 1 block is equal to how many grams? 1000 divided by 2, that is 500 grams. So 1 block is equal to 500 gram. Now second diagram, there are four wooden blocks. Okay, my god, in that pan they have kept 1 kilogram standard weight in the left hand side and 4 wooden blocks in the right hand side. And what is the mass of one single wooden block? Similarly, the same way, 1 kilogram 1000 gram, 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. So 1000 gram is equal to the weight of 4 wooden blocks. Therefore, 1 wooden block is equal to 1000 divided by 4. What is it? Yes, what is it? 250 gram. Therefore, one wooden block weighs 250 gram. Well, now the third scale diagram. I'm not going to say the answer. Just try to find alone. In the right hand side, 1 kilogram of standard weight is kept, and in the left hand side, how many blocks are there? My god, 10 wooden blocks are there. If 10 wooden blocks are there in the left hand side and right hand side, 1 kilogram of standard weight, what is the mass of one single wooden block? Find it. 1 kilogram equal 1000 gram. So 1000 gram shows 10 wooden blocks. Therefore, 1 wooden block is equal to 1000 divided by 10. That is, 1 wooden block is 100 grams. If 1 wooden block is 100 gram, 10 wooden block will give what? Yeah, 100 times 10, 1000 grams. So we get the answer. Yes, 10 wooden blocks. So 1 wooden block is equal to 100 gram in the third diagram. Well, students, now it's a round of addition and subtraction. So let's see how to add and subtract. Yeah, it's very simple as the usual method. Light. Mass of an empty gas cylinder. You know what's gas cylinder, right? Your father brings home. Yeah, it weighs 2 kilograms, 150 gram. And if gas of mass 1 kilogram 450 gram has been filled into the cylinder, what is the total mass of the gas cylinder? Have you all heard that your parents say gas is over? Yeah, what does it mean? The gas in the cylinder is over. So cylinder weighs 2 kilograms 750 gram, and the gas inside is 1 kilogram 450 gram. Now they are asking what is the total mass of the whole gas cylinder containing the gas. So how to add? The usual method, addition method, you have to add, but you have to place the place units properly. That is the important thing. Now have a look on this diagram. Kilograms and grams. Okay, we have to place the units, kilograms and gram, and under kilogram you have to write the kilogram values. So the gas cylinder is 2 kilograms 150 gram, and the gas inside is 1 kilogram and 450 gram. So the total value is gas cylinder plus gas inside the cylinder. 2 kilogram plus 2 kilograms 750 gram plus 1 kilogram 450 gram. And 0 0 will give 0. 5 plus 5 10. 0 comes here and 1 comes up above the 7. And 7 plus 1 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. And that one goes near the kilogram place value. So 2 plus 1 plus 1 is 4. So what is the total mass of the cylinder? 4 kilogram 200 gram. Well, the second question is about subtraction. So there was 2 kilogram 250 gram of rice, and if 750 gram was consumed, what is the remaining mass of rice? Okay, yeah, Papa brought 2 kilogram 250 gram of rice to home, and we consumed 750 gram. And what is the remaining? Always remember, if you were asked what is the remaining, subtraction is used, and the same module, same application should be done with the symbol of subtraction. Value should be going under kilograms and gram, correct place values. See here, I think I don't want to explain anything also. Very simple, right? Kilograms and gram we have to write, and under the correct unit we have to write the values. So father brought how much? 2 kilogram 250 gram of rice to home. Out of that 750 gram was consumed. So when you're writing 750 gram, don't worry of that kilogram value, it is 0 kilogram. So we have to subtract 2 kilogram 250 gram minus 750 gram. So 750 gram of consumed rice should be subtracted from 2 kilogram 250 gram of rice that was bought, and that will give you 1 kilogram 500 gram. How is that? Because 0 minus 0 0, 5 minus 5 0, but 2 minus 7 is impossible, so we ask 1 2 from kilograms, and that becomes 12. So 12 minus 7 is, what is it? Yeah, 4 5, and then that side 1 kilogram is remaining. 1 minus 0 is 1. So hope you that you have understood every part of how to add and subtract masses. What are the relationship of units? What are the units used to measure masses? Kilograms and grams. What are the instruments used to measure masses? Like triple B balance, balance scale, standard weights, and etc. So summary of this video is, most often grams and kilograms are used to measure the mass. So 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. To express a mass given in kilogram in terms of grams, we have to multiply the mass in kilograms by 1000. To express mass given in grams in terms of kilogram, the mass in gram is divided by 1000. And also the addition of subtraction methods, that is just a formal method, only the unit place value should be very much considered. So yeah, that's it of masses. Please subscribe, like and share, and press the bell icon to get notifications.